Hi guys, I'm from Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu state. Leo Taekwondo Club is our club. Okay, here I want to share you about ESS. You all are know about ESS, electronic scoring system. Yeah, all the Taekwondo members will know about ESS nowadays. ESS is very popular in India. So most of the people will not know about how to get the ESS properties and how it works, how to connect the ESS, all of the things don't know. So that the instructions I will tell you clearly in this video. Don't miss this video and don't skip the video. Watch fully. Yeah, so that only understand how it works. Okay, first things, what are the things needed in this ESS for one code? Very cheap. First, one router, one laptop, and 3 mobile phones, Android mobile phones. Okay, these the things only needed for one code. Clearly, okay. Okay, let's see the server point in laptop. TKD scoring Wi-Fi server point. I will give you the link in description. This is the server. You should download free, not any cost. This is the server point for laptop, and client section is in mobile phone. Mobile phone. You have in Play Store section. Go to Play Store section. TKD scoring Wi-Fi client. Client in your phone, server in your laptop. So you should download this client point in Play Store. You have to purchase this app, so that only you have premium part. I already download this app. Okay, so this is the client point. You should download in Play Store. Okay, so how to connect the ESS? First, you have to connect the router to laptop. This is the router. You have to connect the router in laptop. Second thing, your mobile phones also connected to that router. All the mobile phones connected to router connected to laptop. I repeat, all the mobile phones connected to router connect to laptop. That's the thing is important. Make sure all the connection is connected. After that, go to server point, referee setup. From the beginning, you go to referee setup. After that, you go to mobile point, menu bar, server setup, code number 1. Yeah, referee 1 is connected. When you connect the client point to server point, referee setup, after that, in mobile phone, server setup, code number 1, referee 2 is connected. Referee 3. So all the 3 referees are connected via the router. When you connect the server, you should go to referee setup. After that, in mobile point, menu bar, server setup, then connect. Clear? Without going referee setup, you should not connect the mobile point. Okay, now exit. This is the front end. When you start the match, see, referee 1 is activated, connected. Referee 3 connected. Referee 2 connected. Okay. This is the way you connect the server point and client point. Very easy method. Clear? You must connect the router point to laptop, mobile point to router. This is the main thing. Okay. In server preference, you should change the court number. Court number 1 or 2 or 3, anything you should change in server name. Minimum judges to score point means maximum 2 judges. In clicking 2 judges, it will display the point. Okay. Synchronizing time in milliseconds means it's a time adjustment. Okay. Then you should enable the round alarm time. Enable timeout alarm sound. Here all the things in server preference. Okay. Then exit setup. In game option, here number of rounds. You should select here 3 rounds or 3 rounds, 2 rounds or 2 rounds. Here round length, duration is 3 minutes or 2 minutes, 1 minute. You should change here in game option round length. After that, break period, timeout length, all the things you have to change in game option. Sudden death, a golden point also here, enable or disable. You should here you should activate here. That's it. So all the option. Point gap. So how many point gap you have to declare here? I will give 100 points. So maximum number point gap it will declare. So here point for body button tap event is when you kick in body point 1. Here is 1. We should change that to here is 1. We should change 2 point. When you kicking in body, it's 2 point. We should change here. In body point, when you swipe the here, when referee is clicking single tap, it will 2 point display. When you swipe, it will 4 point. So swipe, which means 4 point. So here we should change the 4 point. When you clicking head point, it will 3. So points for head button tap event is 3. After that, points for head button swipe. When you swipe, it's 5. We should change here all the option in game option, which we should change all the things here. Okay. Now exit setup. Okay. Now I show you how it works. When you start the game, The timer is on. 2 minutes. I set 2 minutes. Okay. Now 2 referees clicking Hong. It will display 2 points at a time. Again, when I am kicking blue corner, it will display 2 points. I swipe, it will display add 4 points, 6 points. So now how it works, you all know. Okay. When single referee only kicking, it will not add. At a time, 2 referee pressing, only it will add points. Okay. When you add Gamjum here, Chong Gamjum means you should add here add button Chong Gamjum. It will add Hong Hamjum here. So here the Gamjum point you added. In your right corner, Gamjum button is there. When you add score point, first. So these are the things you know. After that, you start the match. Again, if you add Gamjum, you should pause the match. Add Gamjum, then start the match. So that's it. It's very simple. You all are get easily ESS. I will tell you, this all are the things is very easy. You should buy very low cost, only 1 laptop, 3 mobile phones and 1 router. So approximately only 5,000 for 1 coat. You expense only 5,000 for 1 coat. You should get this all the things ESS. That's it, ESS. Thank you. If any doubt, you may if you purchase the mobile app, you will use lifetime. You will use the app. So don't care about other things. One time you purchase this app, you should use any mobile phones. Only Google account is important. Where you get this app, for one email ID, one app is purchase. In that app, you use all the mobile phones. Wherever you go, you take this only. That mobile account is important. That email ID is important. Okay. So you have any doubt, you should contact us. I will give you the mail ID. Anytime you should clear your questions. I will tell you how it works, what are the things needed, how to connect. I will tell you all the things. So my motivation is all of you get this ESS and improve your technology. So most of the things, PSS is very expensive. So not to buy this PSS. So ESS is very cheap. So you must improve your technology and referee system and time saving. So you know how the ESS is important in match. I hope you all this get this ESS. Thank you.